What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Almighty CP back with a whole new video. Today I'll be cooking fried chicken. So if you're new to the channel, go like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You already know. Live life to the funnest, not the fullest. And let's get into this video. Yeah, before I put the grease into everything, I gotta adjust this for y'all right quick. Before I put the grease into the pan, I want to introduce all the seasonings that I'm gonna be using today. I have this. I don't say names, or just now I'll be using this. Then I'll be using this. Then I'll be using this. And then I'll be using this. My daggone bag keep on falling now. I got flour right here for you. The bag that I put the flour in. So yeah. So the next thing I'm going to use. Oh man. Sorry about that, y'all. The next thing I'm gonna do, I didn't mean to say use, is put the grease in the pot. Right quick for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the grease in there right quick. You wanna fill it up enough. I'm making sure it didn't fall. But you want to fill it up enough to cover the whole thing. Daggone. Yeah, I see. Daggone. So you gotta make sure the whole thing is to the top, almost to the top, not all the way to the top. That should be enough grease. Put a little bit more in there. This should be enough grease. I'm gonna put my knob. This is not the right one. I gotta actually look at it. What is it? This doesn't look like the right one. I'm gonna put this in there. Oh, so I'm out there. Plug it. God dang it. I ain't gonna think much. Put this in there. For some odd reason, I do not think this is the right plug for this. It ain't right. My spidey senses are tangled. But I'm gonna set this. Where is my needle going? Set it to the highest setting. Highest setting is 5. So I'm gonna come back over here. Come back up. Put the flour into this bag. After that, I will be getting the chicken out. The flour. So, put the flour in there first. God dang it, flour. Put the flour in the bag, y'all. As you see. Put a little bit in, So you put your flour seasonings. This would be 1, because you want the flour. The flour is one of the main things you're going to use. The flour, so it has to have its own flavor. Learned that at Chick-fil-A. Used to work there, no cap. So I put the flour in this, put the seasoning in the flour. Put some barbecue stuff in there. So I'm gonna put some more flour in there. And then, yeah. I'm gonna show y'all how I look. So I had to go grab some more flour for y'all. That much seasoning, so I have to put some more seasoning in it. Okay. Oh shit. And drop the seasoning, y'all. Right? put some more seasoning in there. Like I said, the flour have to have its own seasoning. If it doesn't, you just want to have that meat. You want your breading to be taste good too. Like now. So as y'all can see, if y'all can't, bring y'all closer to the light right quick. As y'all can see, you can see the seasoning. Kind of like, you probably can't, but yeah. So we got the seasoning ready, y'all. And next I'm gonna grab the chicken. So I went ahead and opened the bag before I had to deal with all that. So I gotta clean the chicken. It's a bunch of thighs. That's what we basically like up in this house. So them legs don't have no meat on them. Some of the thighs I took the bone up. I didn't actually take the bone out. The bone didn't come in it. But some of the skin, actually the bone was falling out. I can't say it didn't come in it. So y'all probably like, they eating GMO animals. Nope. None of that going on. Got the water on the wrong temperature. Always make sure your water's on cold. Always make sure of that. Have this excess skin. Some pieces we're not going to take the excess skin because our dogs love the skin. I think that's it. I think that's all of it. Yep. Make sure. Gotta make sure there's fur on them too. And excess water out of it. Next thing, put your seasonings in there. That's one number. It's not all the seasonings I'm using. Oh, it's popping. That thing waiting. That thing waiting for y'all. The other stuff I already put into the seasonings. I put into the. What's in them? I can see. Paper towels right quick. Show y'all what I got right quick. This is what I got. These are the 4 I use right here. And my nephew, those are the 4 I use. This right here. So now I'm about to put the chicken in the flour. Put the chicken in the flour. Going to put the chicken in the flour. This is some chicken. All that chicken. Will that be? And I'm gonna bring y'all over here so I can let y'all see what I'm about to do over here. I don't want the camera to be no capping. So I have to take my chicken out the flour. We got dusted off. You see me shaking it with my hand. I don't know if y'all can. Shaking it with my hand. Woo! That thing. Woo! One. Two. Woo! This pan should be able to fit only 4 if I'm correct. And I will show y'all when I have to flip them, because that's something I got to do. So now I'm about to flip the chicken. Watch out, Rudy, watch out. I'm sorry, y'all. And when I flip the chicken, I gotta make sure you put holes in it for it to cook. You want to get a paper towel, press down on them, get the excess grease out. I already took them out. And plus you need to have grease to put the upper layer on. Press down on them. And then yeah, I'm about to put the other ones in and I'm going to show y'all how they all came out. Clean it now. But while I'm doing all that, I'm cutting up some CP fries. So, you see that again? I'm going to season them up for y'all. While I flip this chicken. So I'm about to show y'all how I'm about to season these bad boys. Y'all probably like, oh, that is. All you do is put a little bit of seasoning on, season salt on. And the dogs in the background, y'all. You put a little bit of salt in it. And that's how you do it. And then I'm going to fry them out. And y'all gonna see how they look. So now I have my chicken. I'm about to take a bite for y'all. Excuse me, I already took a bite of it. What's the name? Be honest with y'all. My aunt is right. What'd you say it was, Aunt Penny?
Delicious.
This is the best fried chicken I have ever cooked. The best fried chicken I didn't ever cook. I don't like the fries though. Too sugary. But you already know. You know what's coming next. You know what's coming next.
If you want to live life to the funnest, subscribe right now. It ain't nothing but a G thing. You dig?